Bibi Jagir Kaur gets parole for 28 days, walks out of the Kapurthala jail. Let's remind you, Bibi Jagir Kaur was jailed for the role in her daughter's kidnapping. The murder charges against her had been dropped, but she had been sentenced to 5 years imprisonment. Shamsher joining us with the latest on this. Shamsher, what are the grounds for parole and the conditions for the parole as well?
Well, conditions are all the normal conditions that are there. She will have to report her presence and she cannot travel abroad at the moment. Of course, she is currently serving a sentence, but the Punjab government has readily, given her parole. Of course, her political rivals are bound to raise fingers and bound to raise questions over her parole, because it's just been 4 months that she was sent behind bars. On 30th of March was when she was sentenced to 5 years rigorous imprisonment for forcing her daughter's abortion. But now we know that she has been granted 28 days of parole. Even when she was sentenced to jail, we saw preferential treatment being extended to her. There were several police officials who bowed before her and touched her feet, and then there were obviously allegations that she was being accorded VIP treatment with LCD television and DTH sets being taken inside the jail. Cameras did capture those, although the inquiry was later brushed into the carpet, and it was said that no VIP treatment was extended to her. But now we certainly know that she's out of Kapurthala jail a little while ago, and she has been granted parole for 28 days, although the parole application was also made in quite a furtive manner. Not many people came to know about it, and in fact the media also came to know just when Bibi Jagir Kaur walked out of Kapurthala jail. That's when we got to know that Bibi Jagir Kaur had been granted parole. So we'll have to check what grounds have been taken for making that application, and what the government's remarks were. Remember, Punjab Home Department would have had to clear that application of Bibi Jagir Kaur for parole. So we will know in a short while what the grounds were and on what conditions the parole has been granted.